My name is Paresh Shah. I'm a member of GITO and a committee member of GITO. GITO is a worldwide organization which is almost around 13-14 years old organization. We have the chapters across the globe. GITO, the main three principles of GITO is the knowledge, seva and economic empowerment of the fellow community members. So during this pandemic, we have started with COVID center at the Lemon Tree in association with Mahavir Hospital. The people who want to be isolation can come here. We are providing the food, medicines, even from the last earlier we are giving the oxygen only when he has to be moved to the hospital, but right now we are giving the oxygen also to the patients. Patients can stay there about the requirement of 7 days or 14 days, whatever the doctor say. 24/7 doctor's team is available, nurses are available, 24/7 ambulance is available, and whoever the patient turns critical, the saturation drops, immediately we move to the Mahavir Hospital. We get the bed for the patient at the Mahavir Hospital and can be treated at Mahavir Hospital. So this is I think very few isolation centers are there in the city which is running with 24/7 doctors team. And all the medicines, whatever is required, medicines to the patient, we are procuring the medicines and trying to help the patients. Almost 60 rooms are there in the Lemon Tree Hotel. So depending upon, sometime family members will come, so they will stay, two people together, husband, wife are there, or two brothers are there, two sisters are there, they can stay together. Otherwise, single room occupancy will be there. 30,000 rupees for the 7 days. If single occupancy is double occupancy, 40,000 rupees for the 7 days, including food and some basic medicines. This is the time we should stand up for the people, for the society. This is the time. I think whatever organizations we are running, every organization should come forward and stand on this. This is the pandemic. We have to stand, we have to help the society. See, hospitals are also full, beds are full because so many patients are coming at a time. If any country will be there, this will be the same thing. So many patients are coming at the same time, then definitely, see, based on the numbers what has happened earlier, the infrastructure has been created by the government. But so many people come at the same time, so the hospital beds and everything will be full only, definitely. Lot of organizations started this COVID center and all this thing. This is really helping the society because people have the smaller houses. The isolation will become difficult for them. For them, this isolation center will be there. Medicine will be provided. Doctors will be there who will monitor the patient's condition, health condition. And if it is getting deteriorated, we move it to the Mahavir Hospital, get them treated there and discharge. They can take a discharge from them. And many discharged patients are also coming because hospitals says you stay isolated for 4 or 5 days. So they are also coming to us. Already 200 patients has been discharged from GITO. It's very good response. Patients are very happy the way treatment and the care has been taken for the patients. Patients are really happy. Now, whenever the situation demands, we will stand for the society. I can say only in a single sentence, whatever the situation demands, we will stand for the society. Our GITO stands for 3. First thing comes is the seva. So this comes under the seva. Second, knowledge. Third is economic empowerment. We have collected donations from the GITO members. Even from the outside of the GITO, people have come forward and donated the money also. Through this donation, we have started, and hopefully whatever the cost is there, we are trying to collect from the patients. People are very happy that we have done a good thing during this pandemic. Even the last year also, we have done at a different place, Hotel Fun, where we have run the isolation center. At that time also response was good. This time also response is very good, and team members are really happy that we are able to do something for the society. The government is doing their job. I think they are left and right, they are doing their job. Whatever best possible they are trying to give to the people. I think they are doing their job, but it is that same time we should also stand for the society. That is what we feel. Because it's a pandemic, most of the houses have already got the COVID, and most of the people know now how to fight with the COVID. So please take care, be at home. Whenever the lockdown is announced by the government, it is for the good for you to be at the home so that the situation can come under control. I can ask the public and request the public to follow the protocols of the COVID.